So first of all, it's a beautiful sales page. I am not a fan of reverse print with the, white print on the black background, but that being said, I have to say these pictures really pop on a black background. So I'm going to override that. Although I will say this opening, all this real estate is not as impactful as it should be. So I would make this headline bigger, and I would get rid of this this book image, because it's not exciting. It's really hard to read, and it kind of bogs down the flow. So I want to just like punch them right off the bat with this headline and subhead, and get rid of this. And then I've already seen your copy, which is great. Your team is like, damn, hell yeah, I want to look like that. And then you kind of go into your story before you really get into the actual sales letter. This is where the column starts, I guess. I don't like this column thing going on. It's distracting. I would get rid of this section, move it down to the bottom. Right now, you're just trying to build up anticipation and excitement for them to want to get this product. They want the body. It's all the psychological stuff, right? Not that you're selling something yet. Obviously you are, but yeah, I would work these into this one column sales letter, because when your eye is competing for which column to look at, it's no bueno. All right, so we're going down. I mean, it's not the worst thing in the world to have the photographs on the side, but just, definitely lose the product stuff at the beginning. And this is too early. Some of the things you find inside the book, get rid of all of this and getting them to order, get rid of that. You want to really build up the anticipation first. And this is also, it really bogs down the flow. Like, you want to work on getting the psychological high and that emotional, like, hell yeah, I got to have this. So get rid of the column, get rid of this section. And then this, excellent stuff, except again, no column. I want one column, not two. So I would just like start with this. This is all excellent. And just fold all this shit into the actual sales letter. It'll be so much more powerful, I promise you. You're pulling them in two different directions this whole time. I mean, they may want it, but it starts getting confusing, and it's like information overload to have. I'm reading the story and I want to be into it, and then what I'm supposed to order? What is this I'm supposed to read? It's just too much. Okay, I think I made my point. There's also a point where you say it's $18, and then somewhere later in here you say it's $19.99. So make sure you're consistent with that. Again, the copy, fabulous. And so, yeah, again, no column, but that goes all the way down. So you just want to push all those in together. The bonuses, put those into the sales letter, not off to the side. Video testimonials, I would put those in the sales letter too. I know it's going to go on for a long time, a lot of scrolling, but you're not competing for information. So it works out better. Trust me. And because this is all good stuff. 4 steps to your dream physique, that should be in this one column. All right. And then you have the guide, the book. No, we don't even introduce the book yet. We're still on the benefits, which you do beautifully in the sales copy itself. It's really more a form of layout more than anything else that I have issue with. Okay, and then here we go. And this is what you need. You need it here. How to unlock your body's potential. See, this doesn't boggle my mind to read that when it's set up right, you know. And then here's your bonuses and what's in the modules. And then here's, more bonuses. See, this is so much easier to understand when you're scrolling like this. Um, I don't hate some pictures on off to the side while you're scrolling. Just I what I do hate is the copy when there's words that are competing for my attention. Okay, why is it so cheap? Where did you say 19.99? I know I saw it somewhere. Right here. By lowering the price to 19.99, it allows me to impact more people. Yeah. So just be excuse me, consistent with that and explaining why. Here's your guarantee. La la la. Lots of pictures. The old way, the new way. The ball's in your court. So I mean, the rest of the copy, I've seen it before, right? So I know how good it is. And this is, I believe, the little chart you had off to the side. You don't need to do that. It's just redundant. Okay, I don't mind this. Another photo of the book with the download link. And you can put the download link earlier if you want, like when you introduce the book. No problem with that. And then your PS. And here's everything you're getting. I like the conclusion a lot. You know, it's just very easy to read. Here's a sneak peek. Nice. Another call to actions, frequently asked questions. So the rest of this is laid out great. And then your order page, loved your order page. It's just very clean, easy to understand, and simple. The only thing is, I noticed one little thing. It looks like you probably swiped this from something else. If you don't see a change in your business, I'll not only refund you, but I'll give you $200 for wasting your time. So your body, right? That would be the only thing I would change. So there you go. And let me know what you think of my thoughts.